Hey everybody, it's Andy. I just want to say a big thank you for being such a great part of my community. It is a Tuesday morning here when I'm recording this. It's about 14 degrees in the Chicagoland area. I just got back from an 8-mile run. I'm showered. I threw on my comfy Life is Good hooded sweatshirt and I'm about to dive into about 20 resume reviews. But before I do that, I was just inspired. I wanted to say a quick hello and I wanted to let you know about a couple of great things that are coming up really soon. If you might have already heard, but if you haven't, I started live office hour Thursdays. Every Thursday, all year long, I'm going to be teaching and taking your questions for about an hour. I am super excited about that, but I want to make sure you're on my Tips for Work and Life subscription list so you actually get the email messages about what I'm going to be talking about and what the times are and all that good stuff. But I also want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so YouTube alerts you when I go live. And in addition to subscribing, there's a little bell next to the YouTube subscribe button. You want to make sure you click the bell. And the reason that that's important is because that's what tells YouTube to send you alerts that Andy just released a video or Andy is live now. The reason you want to know that is because in addition to my regularly scheduled live office hour Thursdays, I'm also going to be going live on an impromptu basis, probably once a week for an hour or two. I'll teach a little, take your questions, and people who attend that surprise live session are going to get free courses. Whatever course I'm giving away that day, maybe it's the resume course, maybe it's the interview course, maybe it's the do-it-yourself or the ultimate career course, whatever it is, I'm going to be giving it away, but you have to be live. So I encourage you to subscribe and click the bell. I also want to let you know about a whole bunch of other stuff that's coming down the pipe. And I'm going to be giving away free books to everybody anywhere in the world. Let me see if I can do this without making you dizzy. I'm going to take this off here. Hopefully I won't shake you. See, I got a lot of books here. That's the Hiring Prophecies, Interview Intervention, and Out of Reach but In Sight. I'm going to be working with a new fulfillment company starting in a couple weeks. We're going to be distributing those books all over the world. So I hope you join me for that. Let me see if I can just zip you around here. That's the back of the back part of my office. I've got a nice little presentation screen there. Well, it's playing one of those Apple aerial views right now. But I'm going to be actually putting presentations together for you. All kinds of different formats, but something that I hope you really enjoy. And some of you probably know my puppies, Harley and Ginger. Underneath these little blankies that their Nana made them, they're under here somewhere. That's Harley. You might hear them barking in the background. I know Ginger is under here as well. Up, that's Harley's butt. Hang on, I can't. There she is. She doesn't like the heat as well. Say hi, Ginge. That's my little girl dog. You might hear them barking in the background. So anyway, I just want to say thanks. I really appreciate it. I hope you'll get on the Tips for Work and Life subscription list, and I also hope you subscribe on the YouTube channel because those alerts are going to be important. I realize not everybody's got the budget to pay for those courses, so as long as you're there live, I'll give it away for free. Who does stuff like that? This guy does. That's because I love you. I want to help you get that great job. I know it's difficult. I know it's a stressful situation. I'm doing the best I can to make it as fun for you as possible. So I hope you join me on Thursdays. Hope you follow the emails. If you need anything, let me know. Till then, I'll see you.